there is a special category of expressions known as constant expressions. They are also referred to as compile time constants. In general, the process of compilation does not have anything to do with expressions evaluation. Generally speaking, the expressions are evaluated using the execution stage. But the compile time constants or constant expressions, as the name itself implies, are evaluated and are replaced with the evaluated value during the compilation stage itself. This avoids repeated evaluation of the same expressions during runtime. The constant expression will anyway evaluate to the same evaluated value every time. This should be understood clearly that the compiler does not attempt to evaluate other non-constant expressions. Non-constant expressions are evaluated during the runtime. Let us understand what makes regular expression a constant expression. It was stated that expressions are a combination of literals, variables, and function calls connected through operators. Constant expressions can also be defined along similar lines. Constant expressions are a combination of literals, constant qualified and initialized variables, and macros and function defined through hash-defined preprocessor connected through applicable operators. Let us see some examples to understand this better. The variable size and total and the macro function in these examples are all compile time constants. If we combine them with literals, the resulting expression will still be a constant expression. This expression consists of a float, a character along with fun macro and size and total variable connected through addition operators. This weird expression is also an example of constant expression. It consists of character and integer literals and a call to the fun macro which was defined earlier. The entities in this expression are connected through addition, greater than or not operators. It is to be noted that expression containing regular variables and call to regular functions, even if the function is returning a constant value, do not qualify a constant expression. For example, this is not what a constant expression, where the function fun is defined like this. Nor are these examples of constant expressions, where could be any regular variable and sign is a built-in function. In the preceding few minutes, we have discussed with examples what are constant expressions and how the compiler treats them. In one of our earlier videos, we talked about file and block scopes, and we briefly mentioned that file scope only allows constant expression, whereas the block scope allows all sort of expressions. In the coming few minutes, we will very quickly refresh this understanding with examples. File scope, which is also known as a global scope, only allow constant expressions for any purpose. Non-constant expressions are not allowed in file scope in any form, whether it is initialization of variable or accessing of array elements or declaration of arrays. All these expressions, if used in file scopes, are invalid, where size is an integer type variable which has already been defined. In our contrary, block scopes allows all type of expression, whether constant or non-constant. All these expressions are perfectly valid if we use in the block scope.